Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm in Skye. You know what I like about Skye is lots of mountain around, beautiful landscape, and a few houses around with lots of a little bit of loch like this, fresh loch, and next to the sea. And I'm here at the Kilt Rock, the famous Kilt Rock here. And we're in the car park here. Thanks so much for joining me. Really appreciate. สวัสดีค่ะขอบคุณมากๆค่ะที่ติดตามขอบคุณทุกท่านค่ะมาดูกัน I'm here in Kilt Rock in Skye. It's very popular here. You can see all the tourists and everybody here. You know what I love to go and do? There's a Kilt Rock. There's Dan. There's a waterfall. You know, you go and take a drone, fly drone over. It'd be quite nice. But of course, my drone broke. It's up in the tree. Could go down. Let's go down there to the sea. Hi, it's our favorite Kilt Rock in Skye. It's not very nice weather today. You know, can't really see very well. Pity is quite smoky, kind of dusty, dark, too dark. I'm hoping to come back and when it's clear. Thanks very much for watching. Really appreciate it. Nice to see you again. Nice to see you again. You're all well. Thank you. See you a bit, okay? Bye.